What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's Down and Dirty is going to be pretty quick. I'm going to talk about how to prioritize what you're doing as a dozer operator on the job site. So I've got 3 tasks right now. Right now we have a trench over here on the right running along here that's getting backfilled. And then over here, I've got this pile here that needs to get pushed to this pile here. And then we have Rick in the excavator here in front of me loading a truck to carry spoils off. And so as a dozer operator, I'm the only dozer operator out here. How do you prioritize what you need to do? And ultimately what you need to think about is what's going to keep the job progressing forward overall. So let's just run through a scenario. Let's say I go over here and I start working this pile off to the left. Well, Rick can't dig below grade right now. We're on a building pad that's already to grade, and so if he goes too low, we're gonna have to recompact that material. So he's digging and leaving a lot behind because he knows I'm gonna come behind him and clean up. So if he runs out of material, he's gonna come to a standstill. And so I gotta keep an eye on that. So if I'm over there working that pile to the left, not paying attention, Rick's gonna run out of stuff to do. Over here on the right, the absolute priority is getting these pads backfilled. And so I'm always keeping an eye on my density guy. So as soon as I know that my density guy gives us a pass, Rick's gonna go throw some more material in there, and I need to be ready as soon as I see material hit that hole. That's priority number 1 to keep moving. So I'm gonna jump over there and I'm gonna flatten that out. So really when it comes to the priorities here, number 1 is gonna be where Ethan's rolling. Number 2 is gonna be keeping Rick loading that truck. And number 3 is gonna be over there when I get time moving those piles together. Because really no one's waiting on those 2 piles to get pushed together. It's just a tidy up the job site type thing. So this is something that as an operator, especially when you're new, you're kind of just, oh, I'm scrambling. I feel like a chicken with my head cut off. I'm running all over the place. Just take a second, stop and think about what's the priority. What's going to keep our job progressing forward? Is it us moving this pile? Is it us making sure the excavator's busy? Or is it really making sure that we are getting our job to grade so that we can progress the actual job itself? So that's all I got. Like I said, this is going to be a short one today. Hope this helps you guys as new operators. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Catch you on the next one.